This tutorial shows you how to use the View as Parent and Guardian feature to understand how a student's course activity, progress, and assessments appear to their parents or guardians. The Parents and Guardians View helps you understand how families see student performance and course activities, including activity feeds. Prepare for conversations with parents and guardians. See only the course activities and progress for the selected student. To access the View as Parent and Guardian option, make sure your role has these Brightspace parent and guardian permissions. See Parent/Guardian activity and information. View as Parent/Guardian. If you can't access the View as Parent and Guardian option, contact your school administrator. To open the Parents and Guardians View for a student, from your course navbar, select Class List. Find the student whose Parents and Guardians View you want to access. Select the drop-down arrow beside the student's name and choose Parent-Guardian information. From the Parents and Guardians of window, select View as Parent and Guardian. The Parents and Guardians View opens in a new window and shows the course homepage as it appears to the parent or guardian. Now you know how to access the Parent and Guardian View to support clear communication with caregivers. Thank you for watching.